Dear friends, I myself, Dr. Bharat Parab, discussing square of the number and square root properties. We have seen what is square of a number. Now we are trying to see what is square root properties. Okay, what is square root and its properties. The first property is it's the inverse of square. First thing. Okay. To understand this, we take some examples as square root of 4 is plus minus 2. See, when you take square root, this sign, when it is 2, square means 2, okay? So you need not call it as square root or need not write 2 here. Can call it as a root 4 or root sign only because this is internationally accepted terminology, okay? So root 4 is equal to plus minus 2. What does that mean? That means plus 2 whole square equal to 4 and minus 2 square is also equal to 4, or root 9 is equal to plus minus 3. That means plus 3 square is 9 and minus 3 square is also equal to 9. But for this study we are taking only positive values, okay, and we will not take these negative values, and we will study the properties of these square roots, okay. So there are certain methods to find out the square root of a given number. A number is given and if it has a square root can be found out, okay, and if it doesn't have a square root that also can be found out, that is number is not having any square root, okay. So we are studying the first method. There are three in your syllabus or in given to you. So this is the first one that we have discussed some of part of this in square of number properties. This is same thing. If we can find square, then square root can also be found out, okay. So see this repeated subtraction, okay, there it was addition of the square numbers. This is reverse of that, so repeated subtraction of odd numbers, okay. So we see here 1 plus 3 is sum of two odd numbers. 1 plus 3 is 4. We have taken two numbers into consideration, this 2, so it is 2 square, okay. Now first three odd numbers, 1 plus 3 plus 5, okay, that is 9, and how many numbers are counted? 3, so 3 square. See, it is very easy. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7, we are considering 4 numbers, okay, 4 odd numbers, so it is 16, so it is 4 square. So if on the other hand, if this is the true, then if we are given a number and if we subtract this, then we can say that this is a perfect square or not, or this has a square root or not, and if it is there, and what is the square root of this number, okay. So we will see an example. Let us see 121 as this is a hyphen sign, not minus sign, okay. So 121 is 121 minus 1 is equal to 120. 120 minus 3 and 117. 117 minus 5 is 112. So we are subtracting each number, each odd number in succession starting from 1, okay. So 112 minus 7 is 105. So 105 minus 9 is 96. 96 minus 11 is 85. 85 minus 13 is 72. 72 minus 15 is 58. 58 minus 17 is 41. 41 minus 19 is 21, and 21 minus 21 is 0. The moment you get 0, that means this number is a perfect square, or it has a square root, okay. Square root of what? Very easy. Count these numbers. How many numbers are subtracted? How many odd numbers are subtracted? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 11 odd numbers were subtracted in succession. So it's a square of 11, or the number of digit counted is 11, hence 121 is 11 square. Hence the other way we get root of 121 is plus 11, okay. Then we will see it for 35. We can carry this method for 35. So 35 minus 1 is 34. 34 minus 3 is 31. 31 minus 5 is 26. 26 minus 7 is 19, 19 minus 9 is 10, 10 minus 11, another odd number after 9 is 11, you get minus 1. So it's not 0. Okay, hence 35 is not a perfect square and hence don't have square root. Okay, so this is one method. We will go ahead and try to find the other methods. Okay, so we'll go ahead. Another method, second method, is finding square root through prime factorization. Okay, what does this mean? Let us see an example and we will come to know. Now let's just see. 36 can be factorized as 2 into 18. Then you carry this 2. 18 can be factorized as 2 into 9. Now you carry this 2 and this 2. 9 can be factorized as 3 into 3. Now these are the numbers which you cannot factorize again. Okay, so these are called a prime factors. Okay, prime factorization. Okay, so go to the minimum number. Okay, then you pair this. 2 into 2 is take 1 or 2 for these two and 1 3 for these three pairs. Now multiply this 2 into 3 and equal to 0 6. Hence we see that root of 36 is 6. Got it? This into this is 6. So if this is for smaller numbers, if number is little bigger like 324, we take the prime factorization or do prime factorization like this. 324, 2 here and divide 324 by 2 is 162 and then again by 2 is 81. 81 divided by 3 is 27. 27 divided by 3 is 9. 9 divided by 3 is 3 and 3 divided by 3 is 1. So we take these factors as 324 as factor 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 4 times, 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, and now we pair them. 2 into 2 is 1 2 and these 3 for this pair and this 3 for another pair, and we multiply this. 2 into 3 into 3 is 18. Okay, hence root of 324 is 18. See how simple it is. Okay, but there are certain numbers or higher numbers, okay, so which do not have this some prime numbers as like this. There are some prime factors. You will come to know this term like 29 which do not have some small numbers as factors, or 79 and the square of that. Okay, so as you go ahead the problem becomes very difficult. So for this we have another method and foolproof and very nice method. Okay, so I have given a comment here that it is very difficult to find the square root of by prime factorization method of like 5,929 or 529. So we try a division method. This is called as a long division method also. Okay, successive division or a long division method. Okay, so we will see that. Okay, another method, that is third method for finding a square roots through division method. This is called a division method. Long division method is also called as a long division method. Okay, so we proceed further by taking an example so that you can understand it very easily. There are 6 steps and we will try to understand the 6 steps. The moment you understand the 6 steps, this is very easy. This is very intelligent method. One who has invented is a very intelligent person. Okay, so we go for the first step. We have taken the number 576 and through this we are trying to explain. I am trying to explain you this. So starting from unit place, in this case 6, unit place is the last number. Okay, starting from this place, place a bar on the top of the number pair from right side, that is 76, the pair. See, it is a pair. You have to select the pair and place a bar on this. Okay, as this, as 5 has no pair, keep it single. Okay, 5 has no pair. So this is what we have done it here is we have taken 576 and 76 is paired and 5 is a pair. Second step, try to find a number. See, consider the first bar, or you don't read it, I am just explaining you. Try to find a number whose square is less than 5 and very near to 5. Okay. So what does this mean? 2 square is 4 and 3 square is 9. So 2 square is less than 5 is less than 3 square, that is 9. See, even 1 square is less than 5, but we have to take a number which is very near to this number, in this case 5. Okay, so 2 square is 4, so we take the 2. Now you multiply, take 2 here, 2 here, 2 into 2, 4. Okay, and subtract this 4 from this 5, you get 1. Okay, remainder is 1. What is remaining is 1. Okay, that is the second step. And third step is transfer the whole pair under this down. That is the third step. Bring down the number under the next bar to join the remainder as. See, it is here. 2 into 2 is 4 and bring this down. So this becomes 176. Okay. So these are the first 3 steps to try to understand this and try to solve problems. We are going ahead and going all the 6 steps. Okay. Next slide. Another step, next step, step 4, double the divisor and write it in the blank place as shown. This was a blank place. Okay. So this is a divisor. You have to multiply it by 2. This blue 2, you get 4. Any divisor, any number here, you have to multiply by 2 only. And there be 1, you have to still multiply by 2. 3, again 2. Okay. Then this is a product. So this was a blank place or blank space. So this red 4 is because of multiplication of this 2 by another 2, that doubling, and you got 4. Okay. We will see how we got this 4 in the next step. Presently this red 4 is because of we have doubled the divisor. Okay. So that was the first step. Remember, if anybody wants the explanation why it should be double, or explanation for doubling of the divisor is given by me in other video. Okay, may refer or write to me through comment section if anybody wants the why it should be double or why such things should be carried out. I've explained this in one video. For extra knowledge or for a deep knowledge, you can always refer it or write to me. Okay, so we are going ahead for the fifth step. This is very important and very intelligent step. Okay, just see, just carry out this. Okay, and the explanation for this also has been given in the same video. Okay, that's a different thing. Anybody wants to have deep knowledge may go through it, but presently just see, you keep this 4 intact. Take 1 into 1 is 41. So through this 4 add 1, so it becomes 41. Multiply by the same digit 1, got 41. Increase this digit, 42 into 2, 84. Always do like this. 43 into 3, 126. Give this 4 intact. Okay, 44 into 4, 176. We reach this. Okay, 44 into 4 is 176. So we take this 4 here because we are getting 44 into 4. So 44 into 4 is 176. Okay, subtract it, you get 0, remainder 0, nothing remains. Okay, nothing means 0. Okay, so step number 6, since the remainder is 0, no digits are left in the given number, there is no other digits. Okay, had there been any digits, we have to take those digits also, but there is no digit left. Okay, so we get square root of 576 is 24. This is the square root. Remember this. Okay, I have solved this in this is a PowerPoint presentation, and other on-screen presentation also for this has been given by me in some other video. If you want explanation, you may refer that also, and you may write to me in the comment section also. And see, I have given here, we will see some examples for better understanding. Do solve as many problems as you can and you will find it easy. So don't just try to by heart these steps, try to solve the problems. If you face any difficulty, let me know through the comment section, and I will definitely help you. So I have given the same section here. Still, if you face any difficulty, write to me in the comment section and I shall solve it. So this is Dr. Bharat Parab, and we have seen three methods. This is the first step of the last method. We have seen three methods of finding a square roots of any number. Okay, this method is useful. You can find the square root of any number, any big, even it is 15 digit, 10 digit, or 100 digit also. Okay, but that is at present that is not our problem. So we will stick to only 4 digits. Okay, so try to solve many problems and try to understand this method. Okay, so thank you.